Good morning, everybody. We've got lots of brilliant activities, talks and workshops for you all to take part in today. So we're just going to give you a little bit of background about the companies involved today. So we've got Wilmot Dixon, myself. We've got Oldham Enterprise Trust, Oldham College and wonderful local businesses who are keen to support the young people of Oldham in developing skills that will take them into the business world. So that's you guys.
Hi everyone, so I'm Pam. I'm a digital construction manager, and when you say you work in construction, my job is not bricks or wood or anything like that. I work with all the fancy tech kit, so I work with VRs, I work with laptops all day, I work with cameras, we go out scanning on site.
Came from Waterhead Academy and I'm called Isla Wood, and I've learned how to use team building as a skill, and I really like the game. It's really fun.
I'm Neve from North Chadderton, and I've learned about the importance of strength both mentally and physically.
My name is Greatness and I'm from Waterside Academy. Today I've learned the importance of teamwork in being able to achieve a goal, how teams should work together and the role of each person as a team and as a team leader.
I am James Mannix from North Chadderton, and I've been really impressed by how students have been able to really show their teamwork and entrepreneurial skills throughout today.
So today we've been building stuff like spaghetti marshmallows, so about effective communication.
I'm Pam from Hume, and today we learned how to make buildings without talking to each other.
Ben Alcock from Bluecoat, and I've learned there's many different ways of strength through mental and physical, and we've been here learning that not to give up as soon as it gets a bit hard. Even once you get to it, there's more steps to go until you can achieve what you want.
Hello, I'm Daniel, and I'm from the Bluecoat School, and today I've learned that throughout journeys and life you're going to fail, but you have to work and how to pick yourself up and learn from your mistakes and move on and be resilient.
I'm Wisdom and I'm from Brighton and Prompton, and today I've learned about the digital part of construction and all of the stuff and building stuff, having some fun games in there. So yeah, today's been fun.
My name is Waleed. I'm from OSS Leesborough. What I learned today was that the company, that they go through a lot of hard work, a lot of work they have to do. That it takes a lot of time, sometimes months, to make the structure, make a design, and sometimes it does not get approved. So, I think they're quite brave enough to bid on something which sometimes they will not get. So, thank you for their work they've done for the community, like Stockport, Bus Exchange, and it's quite cool. Thank you.